Hey all!
Hey, this is my girl Dotty.
This is my ride or die Amanda.
Hey, we're here to tell you all about how to gear up for the IAR convention, which is right around the corner. Guys, this is our biggest networking event of the year, so don't forget your business cards. You never know where your next referral is going to come from.
And don't forget that this is business casual for when you come to convention. Don't forget that we have 2 floors this year, so wear your flats.
Or opt in for heels. But more importantly, the rooms are cold. They always are. So pack a scarf or a parka, whatever you need to stay comfortable during the education sessions.
And don't forget your IR mug. We have water, tea, and coffee on site at the concession just in case.
Snacks are never a bad idea, right? So protein or sugar, whatever you gotta use to get you through the day.
And don't forget that cash just in case you need something to eat. We have concessions in case you don't want to go off site.
Hey, pen and paper, laptop. Our instructors are going to be sharing a ton of amazing information. So write it down, put it in your business plan, utilize it all year long.
Well, Amanda, I think that covers our daytime necessities.
You're right. Hey, kickoff night is sure to thrill. We've got our YPN furniture build. Nothing like a bunch of people who handle everybody's largest financial investment, building furniture from IKEA.
And who needs instructions?
Hey, Wednesday night we've got bubble soccer. So bring your cleats, bring your shin guards, because I mean, if you don't, are you even trying?
And if you're not into bubble soccer, bring your spirit.
Hey, last but not least, Thursday night we have the inaugural gala. So rust out your glam squad. Guys, bring your top hats. Girls, bring your fancy shoes and your cocktail dresses and get ready for a night of stardom. Most importantly, don't forget to sign up at iowarealtors.com/convention. See you there.
See you there.